Gotta get. Gotta get. Gotta get. Gotta get. Tram train now. Gotta get that tram train now. Gotta catch that tram train now. Gotta run for that tram train now. That tram train now. Tram train now. Tram train now. Tram train now. They try to act so cool, but they just make themselves a fool. There's a nerd right there with the comb back hair. His face and his books where people dishing looks. He thinks it's Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein. I hate that tram train now. It keeps on cramping my style. They got their armpits in my face. It smells like grandma's place. I'm so smooth and fly. You're so rigid and style. I got that style. And you've got none. Still listening. Tram train now. Gotta get that tram train now. Gotta catch that tram train now. Gotta run for that tram train now. The tram train now. Tram train now. Tram train now. Tram train now. This ancient person comes to me. Say they want my seat. I say the seat right there. Then their face went crazy. You're stuck in my face. You're stuck in my face. Once you walk past me, I miss the whole scenery. You're so rude when I'm trying to get on. Who got the passages on your tram? Empty, smelly, dirty, ugly. Who is he? Your Uncle Harry. Cause 2 trains have been aborted. Now I'm real late for class. 7 public transport services, 1 big share. A person on the train. I stood next